Alright, so you want to make hot chocolate, but you don't want to make it like a hard, you know? So, and you have a coffee maker. So what do? Well, so if you want to make it in a coffee maker, well, I don't know. Let's read the instructions how it says to do it on this box. Okay, it says empty delicious cocoa into mug. Yes, so you do that. And then you add hot water for richer taste and milk. What? For richer, add milk. Okay. Then stir, sip, savor, you deserve it. No, I don't think I do. But so obviously if you were to make it in a coffee maker heats the water up, and you would just put it in the thing before you put the water. So, but you're not gonna do that. You want to make it a cool way, like you would make coffee. So what you do is do a coffee maker, and I don't know if that works. So maybe we try it. So you open it, and you get the packets. Wait, so how much? So there's 5 cups water. So first you add it. Okay, you just put that there because that's where it goes. And so you want coffee filter because you're making it just like coffee. So you just you put it in, and like you would normal. Yes. So oh shit. So yeah, you put the coffee filter in, and then I guess put this stuff in. So for every 1 packet, you add 8-ounce hot water. So 1 cup is 8 ounces. Well, I didn't know that. So yes, I'll do that now. Put it down. It's a little much, isn't it? Well, 1. Oh my god, that's a lot. But you know what? I think that's too much. I'm just gonna... No, I'm gonna do it. It says on the box. We'll do 5. That's a lot. That's really a lot. You know, I'm just gonna do 2. And we'll see how it is. So, there's 2 in there. That's 2 packets. Now, it's all ready. So, I'll just close it and turn it on. And you can watch it go. Yeah, it's going. I can hear it. So I just want to check it. See if it's about to overflow or nothing. It's cool. See it going. Should be interesting. So like, what if the coffee filter makes it so it like filters out the hot chocolate part? You know? We'll just keep looking. Oh, it's going. Sure is. Sure is dripping. Alright, it's going. I'm just gonna skip ahead. Wait. I'm gonna look one more time, then skip ahead. Uh-oh. Retard. It's filling up. That might be a good thing, you know? So I'm not gonna skip ahead. This is getting interesting. Oh, it stopped flowing. Uh-oh. Looks like this was actually a bad idea. Because it's not flowing through. So I'm gonna actually stop this, you know. Well, no, it's dripping now. It's got the drip. I think it's just because I moved it, though. Ah! It's really not grooving. So I'm gonna try something really gamer. I'm going to remove the coffee filter. I thought of this already. Because I knew the coffee filter would cause problems. I pull it out. I did. Right here. I got it. Stop dripping, you retard. Okay. Yeah, try that. Well, okay, I guess that didn't work because it's just still not flowing. No matter. Just keep watching it. This isn't going to destroy a coffee maker because, you know, it's a one-way thing, you know? It only goes down. Yep, it's going. It really isn't working like I wanted it to. But I can open it this much without having any effect on it. Oh, it's flowing now. Now it's going good. What happened? It must have dissolved all the stuff enough for it to flow. Look how much that's going down. It's really working well now. Oh, that's flowing quite a bit. A lot more than when you do coffee in it. See, I did it like this because I want to see what happened. Because if you just like put the powder in this cup thingy, that would just be like making hot water in this and then pouring it in a cup after, like, you know, it tells you to. Because, you know, this, you know, there's like those water kettle things where you can just like put water in it and it'll make it hot. That would just be like that. So I want to make it seem, I want to like do something different, you know. You get it. Because it's like interesting, actually. You know, like you take water and like it actually like comes into here. It's like, wow, it's making hot chocolate. That's cool. Isn't that neat? Let's check up here. See, look, now it's totally just flowing straight through because it's dissolved all the powder stuff. It's just flowing through. So, you know, you don't need the filter. It's a fun way to make hot chocolate, isn't it? Yummy. Almost done. Yeah, it's hot chocolate. Next, making Mountain Dew coffee. Running Mountain Dew through the water reservoir. Do you want to see that? Because I mean, I kind of want to try it, but I don't want to destroy my coffee maker. Because I got this at Walgreens for $17 a few days ago. Oh, watch out! All full. There's more in there than it started with. Oh, yeah, that makes sense actually. Because, added the powder. Alright, now that it's finished, I'm going to try it to see if it tastes good. So I have my liberal tears mug for wrecking the libs on the internet with facts and logic. And so I grab this powder tin and see if it's too watery because I didn't use enough powder. Because this should have been like over twice the amount of powder I did use. So I'm gonna try it now. Cheers, my lady. It's hot. It is hot. But is it good? I'm gonna try some more. Well, there's no powder left over. I'd say it tastes pretty good. It could have more juice in it, more powder, but overall I'd say this is pretty good. I don't know. I want to try it though, with adding more of the powder than just 2 packets, because it came pretty close to overflowing that first time. I don't know what effect having or not having a filter would be. So I'll try it again. We'll see what happens next episode.